We had a storm last night and there's some leaves in the pool. They say the first thing you should do after you have a storm is you should check your skimmer basket. All right, here's the skimmer basket over here. Let's see if there's any leaves in here. Oh yeah, there's some leaves in there. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got here. Yeah, a lot of leaves in there. Let's see what's in the basket here. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, that thing's jam-packed full. We got to get this all cleaned out here so that the skimmer can start working again and get all these leaves out of the pool. I also got this beta robot pool skimmer going around the pool too. That'll help. But yeah, I got to get all this cleaned up here. Now I'll check the skimmer over here and see if this one needs to be emptied too. This one doesn't look so bad. There's hardly anything in there at all. Just a tiny little bit there at the bottom. I got both the pool baskets cleaned up there. Another thing you can do if this is pretty dirty is you can use a wet vac, and then you can just go ahead and clean this up here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on here. It'll fill up quick though. But yeah, that looks a lot better in there. Got a lot of that stuff out of there. Just a few little leaves left here. But yeah, that looks nice. Nice and clean there. Clean enough to put the pool basket back in. All right, that looks good. Got the pool basket back in there. Now we'll just go put this one away. All right, there we go. Put this one back on here. All right, now I'll just turn the pump on here and get it going there. All right, we got the pool pump going. Check out the skimmer here. There it goes. Sucking the water in there. Leaves go, heading into the pool skimmer. So yeah, having a pool can be a lot of fun, but it can be a lot of work too, so I got to get it all cleaned up. This wet vac worked really good to get the skimmer cleaned out. I'm just going to drain it here, taking it over to the edge of the pavers here, and then just drain it all out of there. But yeah, this is the CRAFTSMAN wet dry vac. It's 4.25 horsepower and it can hold 9 gallons, and you saw how quick it filled up when I was cleaning out the skimmer there. But yeah, this thing's a pretty nice wet vac here. Just tilt it up here, get the rest of the water out. There we go. Now put the cap back on. A few little leaves in there, but got all the water out. Yeah, now we'll just let this thing dry out a little bit, and then I'll put it back in the shed over there.